AI can triage a disk image at machine speed. But one question remains. What if the AI itself tampers with the evidence? Current tools protect evidence with text instructions. The model was told not to is not a chain of custody guarantee. We approach this as systems engineers, not forensic veterans. The question changed, not how do we forbid it, but how do we make it impossible? VeriSIFT exposes only typed, read-only tools. No shell, no write path. The destructive capability simply does not exist in the server. Every finding is cross-checked across artifacts. One source, inferred. 2 or more confirmed. 0 sources dropped. Hallucination caught automatically.
Notepad.exe, confirmed. Confidence 1.0, 3 artifacts agree. evilcorp.exe, dropped in iteration 1. No human input required.
Read-only by architecture. Self-correcting by design. This is VeriSIFT.
This is VeriSIFT, an incident response agent, where every finding must be corroborated across independent forensic artifacts before it's reported, and anything it can't prove gets dropped automatically. Evidence is opened read-only SHA-256, hashed before analysis begins. There is no write path in this server. Architecturally impossible. Iteration 1, one claim with no corroboration is dropped automatically. That's a hallucination caught before it ever reaches the report. Iteration 2, notepad.exe found independently in the event log and amcache. Computed match, not hard-coded. Finding promoted to confirmed. Every tool call is recorded in the audit log, run ID, timestamp, duration. Every finding traces back to a specific line right here.